Django not raising integrity error for duplicate primary key. Does Django enforce uniqueness for a primary key? The documentation here seems to suggest so, but when I define a class as and test this constraint in a test case, the test fails. If I test on a normal field, primary_key equals false, unique equals true, then the exception is raised correctly. Setting unique equals true on the ID field does not change the result. Is there something about primary_key fields that I'm missing here? My database backend is MySQL, if that's relevant.
Your test method is wrong. What you're doing here is updating the existing instance since you are supplying an already used primary key. Change the save to a force_insert like so. The Django docs explain how Django knows whether to update or insert. You should read that section. Are you aware that Django already supports automatic primary keys? See the documentation for more of an explanation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider making it subscribing.